Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel for another clean with me. And hello and welcome if you are new. My name is Nicole. I am a mother to 5 wonderful children. I make cleaning and decorating videos. If this is something that you enjoy, I would love for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. So you guys, for today's video, I am going to be doing a bedroom transformation. I have been waiting so long to do something like this. I am the type of person, I love changing furniture around. I get bored very easily, so changing furniture around just excites me. It makes me so excited to do stuff like that. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I had this vision for my room and it made it look so much bigger in my head, so fingers crossed that it opens my room up and it looks bigger. Because, sometimes we have a vision and we move stuff around and it just doesn't look right, but I'm hoping that it does. And yeah, if you guys saw my last video, you know that I'm going to be putting, I took my mirrors. I had mirrors for, I don't know why I can't think of how I want to say this. I had sliding mirrors for my closet doors. So we took them off and we are just going to get some standard doors. So that won't happen in today's video, but somewhere down the line, hopefully next week, I will have them in. But yeah, I am excited to do this video. I hope that you guys enjoy it and it gives you some motivation and maybe inspires you to want to move some furniture around. So also, I wanted to ask you guys' opinion because I am loving the farmhouse look. This is how I want my room to be. I am going to transform it into a farmhouse look. Not all of that today, but some of it. And for my closet doors, my boyfriend wants to get the standard regular closet doors. I don't know if we're going to do sliding or doors or how we're going to do it exactly. But I had this vision of doing curtains. I thought that would look really pretty, like drape curtains, thick ones, and yeah. Let me know your guys' opinion. He thinks that it will look tacky and it just won't look right, but in my head it looks beautiful. I've seen it on Pinterest and I just thought it looks so nice. So let me know your guys' opinion on that, and yeah, let's get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy.
Here we are, a million stars floating over our heads, beating hearts, falling apart, staying up to forget. But baby, we'll fall. We all go dancing down, and paradise is found. We're shaking up the ground, 'cause there ain't no stopping now. So there ain't no stopping now.
When you find your favorite snacks behind your bed, you guys, I have to hide my snacks sometimes because my kids will eat them all up on me and I won't get any. But these dark chocolate covered pretzels are amazing. I get them at Sam's Club and you get a big bag for about $6 or $7. I think that is an awesome price. But who else is like your girl and has to hide snacks sometimes because your little ones will just eat them all up?
We could be flying free, leave our worries below, safe and sound, no one around, say the word and we'll go. But baby, we'll fall. We all
You guys, what is your favorite cleaning product? So here I am using the Crisp Apple by Method, and I hate it. I hate the smell of it. I thought it would smell really good. I mean, crisp apple, come on, who wouldn't like that smell? But for some reason, and I got this cleaning product when I was pregnant, so I thought maybe that was why, because your senses are kind of off, but it smells like paint to me. I don't know why, but whenever I clean, I just smell paint. Only when I use this product. My favorite by Method is the pink grapefruit, but I ran out of it. I'm running out of all my cleaning supplies. But I love all of Mrs. Meyer's, but I love Method more just because I feel like you get more for your buck. Let me know your guys' thoughts on that. Which cleaning product is your favorite? What scent is your favorite?
So sure of our love, I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us. And I won't.
One thing I didn't expect was that mirror to be super heavy. You guys, I didn't know where to set it. I was like all over the place, but I know I didn't want it to fall over, so I was just trying to make sure it was leaning on something.
Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy, take it easy. Thought that I could keep it low, keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy. And you know how to forget all the wrongs and every reason why we've changed. And there's a storm inside my head, it's getting me in trouble, baby, and I can't break away. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low, keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy.
loves, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Hopefully it motivated you to want to transform a room in your home. I am just loving how it turned out. It's so beautiful now. I don't feel cluttered. It's honestly my happy place. I know I still need closet doors and blinds and pictures on the wall, but I am just loving it. I don't want to leave my room now. I know I have to, but I don't want to. We all have that room that we just don't want to leave, and right now that's my room. So please give this video a like if you enjoyed. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts on it. And I love you all, and as always, have a wonderful day.